thank you members for loving your city and for the contributions you've made. And thank the taxpayers of Mbale. Like we promised, the machine we have here is a brand new machine that has been supplied by Mantrac Uganda. Like we all know that Caterpillar is among the brands that are really good in this. I think, if anything, we might be the first local government to have purchased this. It's quite expensive. It's around 1.2 billion. As compared to Komatsu, that sometimes goes for around 900 to a billion, somewhere there. So it's slightly expensive, but more powerful than you would imagine. I think we now fulfill the promises we made to our people, that the small taxes they are paying will not be shared among us as allowances, but while we'll take something, we need to do something for purposes of legacy, and they will be struggling with the roads. The current machine is operating. We borrowed from Jinja, the regional office in Bugembe. So you can imagine what we are going through to have some of these roads done. So I believe and I promise that with the current machine now that is ours, we'll be able to do all the small roads within the entire city. I know we've sorted this out. We are now left with the major thing, that is the vibrator, the roller. I've told the engineer that he also makes a plan on that, say that we can also order for it. Fortunately, the understanding we have with the Mantrac is that as long as we can do 60% of the payments, they're able to supply, and then we keep making small installments. So I'm sure by next week, the engineer should have started also on the process for us to acquire the roller. That one that compacts the what? The road after the machines have gone through. Currently, we are borrowing from the district, but we are now trying to run away from that, and also don't want to only wait until we shall be supplied with. So I want to thank the councillors because they have sacrificed. They have gone for a number of months without pay of their allowances. We reached a level where people thought we are just playing around. You've heard the stories flowing around. But we've been patient. And the most important thing is not how much we exchange with our people, but what we do that actually demonstrates who we are and is the legacy we are trying to leave behind during this time of office. So I want to thank everybody for their patience. I know there's been a lot of talk here and there, but that is bound to happen wherever there is something and whenever you expect something and it's taking long. For me, I take it always positively. It is actually what drives us to even move a bit faster. So the machine has finally arrived. Possibly Monday we shall be officially commissioning it, and then we shall push it on the roads to start working immediately on our roads. The current one you have seen, is already down. And the local revenue has not only purchased this car. This, I think, now the third or fourth. Remember, we reached here, there was nothing. We started with the pickup for education. We bought a pickup for administration, and then we bought now the SAF for the mayor's office. So while people blame us for possibly trying to get machines that are slightly stronger, but it helps for us not to purchase again. If all this we got them around, our efforts would have been directed to other areas. But we are now doing this because this wasn't there. Then we don't want to buy something that will break tomorrow. So whatever we are doing, we are trying to look at quality and something that can long last. So with what we have now, we'll have no reason whatsoever not to grade the roads as we try to tarmac some of them. I think on Tuesday 25th this very month, we are launching another phase of USIMID. That has to do with our designs on the roads we are going to work on. So I think our people should expect the best as we talk now. So of course, we'll not forget our former town clerk, Mr. Ambrose. We worked out this with him, and we really want to thank him and wish him the best in wherever he is. We've now received Mr. Abireve, who seems to be also much better. So it means that the persons we are now getting, we are sure we should deliver Mbale to its former glory. Thanks so much.
We still have some broken bridges, especially in Bangladesh.
Yes, we have issues with bridges. I think we have around 10 bridges that were totally washed away. We made a write-up in the last road fund meeting we had with the team, and we requested, because to do a bridge is quite costly. One bridge can cost us between 400, 300 to something million. And remember, road fund, we more or less get that amount if you put aside the 1 billion that we are now being given. So we agreed in principle when we shared with the Office of the Prime Minister, the Minister of Works. They had promised that they would do some affirmative action towards repairing those bridges. We requested our MPs, especially Karim, to arrange a meeting with the Minister of Works, so that we can have a one-on-one we have this explained, and then maybe he can guide us on how we are going to work on them. But I'm sure that after this, because we are doing a lot of spending on some of this, then again we shall be moving into the phase where whatever is collected goes towards some of the repairs, and then in the future we'll now be focusing on upgrading some of these roads, so that we know that our local revenue has now upgraded a certain road from the what we have now, gravel, to at least what, bitumen or tarmac roads, the one we locally called tarmac. So that will be the plan for the future.
Niyo siringi zo muwe gumusoro isanga bati property rate sini gumusoro gweso musasula mpye ni gumukisha gino kubanga ni baza town clerk waffe uwaza wabani ni kirozo ki Mr. Ambrose Ochenti kwasima mabi niyo lifoti poto mali ensime bakansala nti nga nubona bakansala boss be mumbale site abasinga mbere bazi jimie esinga kebafuna guna sitting allowance bagumusala lwesonga nti mbere siringi kubusa kugulena ni grade zingudo zini mbere kezinyale kukolewa ni grade F nujubone nkade mbe kenya yakolewa ni zingudo zo nadala kusinga zingudo ziri ibomboyi irwaso ibukonde na manyonyi ni bukasacha na ati kwa nyalishe kwafunire grade ati kukusubira kuti next financial year kasa kubanga kwamale kusasura grade ai kubenga kufune rola iza kubanga imina kwire mu kufune niyo cyesanga watu wotaboza kino kiza kogesa umuwe gumusoro na dala wembale amanya ati siringesa alikuzita akuntu akulana akutufu
Mboa City Development Forum kumulimo kuri hotse mbale nyange yi umungeza romari mbale is moving step by step inyange yi baye kumusoro abe mu rugonya bari kama pese kesi basasura aye bakakabane basahonsira bakura tiboro hatse bamea bakura tiboro hatse batawuni kiraka bakura education ne barume bari kuri hurera ibashini yikenera imetsinguto oba mu nyingi oba mu ruongo oba wa imashini kane yoleho oba kama bari karuke ne karuseho oba ikimisale kane kisambule kiruseho ne kale isi hurumera nano ndihusima tawuni kiraka Ambrose Ochenti watsire 40 poto insime meya na mugali ni kansala zibewe uyu hari akwese babiriremo kubatsiro mabetsiro mebwa kusuri timbali Marumbali Mbale is a city of 7 rooms in a day. Buli nyanga lukambo lwongene fitina binano nenga busyerenga ni kuli bamali oba kuli babandu siro motsi fana siro tsini kuba kuba muri sonya bakono siro motsi la itongereta ata abantu balo siro motsi mbibano bakwara so umuntu ngo murangisi we kwara sa we kolola we rola mumuni oba bikere byaboroka kuri ko kapaka wa ensali bale washena ko be kansiri ko kapasanda wa ensaji kiwara ko kapasana kawako nena mugali tsiro mutsesa mukani hatsiro tsamu yetire nabi humukwarasa niyo tsakoleka oligase oba sisindusye kubonera kuba imashini sobona ikatapire yi originengene kunyeba tsakahimaluku muleme kya bangereza khafune independence ngani eri maluku yabeli matsingo to kwa mairo ahaha yoleswamu paka imashini yengene yakure busengene oba befi bakiba bakikulisa ne imashini yisibone itsakuramba kimikongo mikarano ngamba isitseta ari hwara misire sengo omundu montenya tsinguto hwara mira ari nayo excavator hahali mamaramu hali matsingova kamese bwese kakendera iswanga holi drainage hufune nayo roller imina tsinguto bulayi ni moto hetsu ya kameze mbale kane koboleo imiriye ate nasega mumbona muri ndi hutse mieko nsamvu nensibo ni kamani ka kenda timo nitase tsibona bulayi ate ndi kuboy kukana siri masese bodeni sibitsa bulayi inyuma sitsana abe muminyasa aluhusasola kimisolo ibuhonde irwaso ibumboyi ni bisinza bibindi ni bandu mu town muno bahakanisa imbale fune kimisolo muno muri bali afisa kimisolo kumukambangana mwitsanano mubone imashini iyi bulise babanza kumusolo umwene ebanze ngena asasule kamapesi imisolo ekyo sikitsabo samalo simba sitsakhulya kimisolo kyenywe tsimbe babezilya kamapesi ano sawa ari habone khuri ari imbale he milia ninga bakeni mungu tumabone ho tibiri ari tsigeni ne mashini etsa khumilisa tsindo sura tsimiliye mbawo sinara mata kale naramire watenyere Hakim ndi member wa City Development Forum
kunyoelera shimini ngembale yashuhileho mbale abe kanihibwaho nabi kunyoa meya na mugalina musima ngabo opposition isendweni RM na musima humya hakirano chesi itsiyeho abe yano number 1 road mayor abe ali ni moto hata number 2 education abe ali ni moto hata number 3 town clerk na abe ali ni moto hata number 4 bona wafune shuma shili matsingudo wabona hurari mbale nga municipal council adala mbale City na mugalama hujitwira mwiro nenga hosawa tsino atiya otsimoto hatsino nga tsiliwo hali na iwatsi yehushindi abe mbuka meya yangarurawo angabo opposition binana tsya nina byota analihera meyo holashi uwirako nga wakoboye bula inga wakobolata meyo litsa na yalina nihirako sawa tsino kulukumu balira kubindu byesa akule bino tsimoto atsesitsiye mbalatsi tsitsiye mahona akewe amahutyana kimisolo buli mundu acomplaining ari mbawo shesitsikholata ne kimisolo subirandari sawa tsino mbali mumisolo husoloza tsimoto hatsiliwa education yade moto hayafuna accident nenga nayo bachikula shitufu bizo bihali bitwela ta bikanishibwa nabi nenga imoto hayi ukhwitsa na ubredai yitsiye mu bizo bikali kubanga abe abandu tsiro mutsikanihibwa bali amapesa basolozo khwamani babala ibitsata ukhwamashina nembonandi wakholelekho imoto hayu khwitsa kali share nabi mu bandu besu bembale kubona khuraye kwanga batsiro mutsikanihibwa itsindi tsinashendezebwa kubanga arabe tsingudo tsimbitso tsyakulimibwa abese susubira bese musitse bindi bikali bilaita yosi moto haya rinolayo kubanga ayebaloma bali buijo abene bikanisa bonyene ife khuli ni moto hata nari subirandi bakulembeze nge banitsi moto hata kimilime kichenda tawe monitoring muna monitoringa muriena kubanga abeme yachenda bubi unyala wachenda wa supervising abantu ngoli ni moto hata ari subirandi ibindu binga byose byabeyeho ibindu byose binachendebwa shitufu ibindu byambulozo chenyangatsya shitufu aba muni buzi bubwewe ngo mundi butambata nenga usubira kuri buyesa akoleko byesa alihele inyuma ni town clerk witsileyo hale usubira kuri na yongeyeko kubona kuri mbale kola shino imiliyo buzi bubundi bwesimbona bale likumiliyo nenga nadala abeyeshe abantu bakulisira ku street bali babesha itiliye hurusa hesi kubona kuri town clerk omushakayo na yeshindu ishonga nanihira hushiyambako abana bakulisa kila matikiba hali bakoboye mu butale kubona kuri mbale yongera humiliyo